Are you looking to book a German student visa? You're in the right place. Today I'm going to show you exactly what to do and how to get it done. Alright, so the first thing we need to do is determine your jurisdiction. So identify the German consulate or embassy serving your US state. Any major missions will include New York, Los Angeles, Chicago, San Francisco, Houston, and Washington, D.C. Your location will determine which office handles your application. So all visa appointments must be scheduled online through the German Missions Official Portal or authorized providers like BLS International. Remember that booking is completely free and appointments cannot be made by phone or email. So be cautious of any fraudulent activities or anything else that looks a little bit odd. Appointment slots are typically open approximately 14 days in advance and will fill within hours. So if there are no appointments available, don't panic, check back on a daily because new slots are released on a regular basis. Persistence in this case is key to securing your preferred date. Before your appointment, gather all the required materials. This will include your completed visa application form, university admission letter, proof of blocked account or financial resources, health insurance, valid passport, and biometric photos. Having everything ready will prevent any delays. Now, every applicant, including minors, must appear personally with printed appointment confirmations and complete documentation. Any late arrivals or incomplete applications will result in rescheduling. So arrive about 15 minutes earlier and make sure that all of your paperwork is in check.